Most Colorado homeowners would love to live in a home that's been perfectly updated, is conveniently located to all the amenities they need, yet is easily accessible to the great outdoor space, trails, and mountains that we love to call home. Welcome to 885 Marlston Place. This home combines the best of functionality, lifestyle, and livabilities, all the features that make Colorado Springs the perfect place to call home. The main level has been beautifully updated. I love the solid wood floors throughout, the new paint, the new light fixtures, and check out this renovated kitchen. You'll find new cabinets, new countertops, top of the line Bosch appliances, and it's an open floor plan. We've got counter seating that opens to the eat-in nook and the family room centered around a cozy fireplace. A formal dining with bay window helps to support easy and fun entertaining. And you'll find a private office next to that with French doors. The primary retreat will become your most treasured oasis. You'll love the vaulted ceiling, lots of natural light, and look at the private view to the backyard. And the primary bath has been beautifully updated. Look at this large soaking tub. There's a double-headed shower, a double vanity, and I love this light fixture. Check this out. And 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom complete the upper level. The basement provides this incredible family room. It's fantastic for games, movies, and there's a wet bar that makes entertaining so easy. Down the hallway over here, you find a 4th bedroom and ensuite bathroom. Additionally, there's 2 flex spaces that could be used for an exercise room, a hobby room, an office. So many ideas for enjoyment and use. A few other features this beautiful home offers are central air conditioning, new furnace, a radon mitigation system, and an EV charger. I hope you've enjoyed this snapshot of the home and that you've gotten a glimpse into what living in this Westside charmer with a private backyard could be like. However, to truly experience it, you're definitely going to want to walk through the home yourself.